Yo, that fake smile you got in your face, my nigga. Fuck you think this is? Oh goddamn, ooh, sugar they looking at this. You don't fuck off. Like, shut your bitch ass up, bro. Like, you got that fake smile for nothing. And you're a maid, my nigga. Somebody should replace you with somebody that has a better smile than you, my nigga. Like, I don't know. Definitely not a psychopathic bitch like you, that's for sure. Looking like the daughter of fucking Michael Myers, my nigga. Damn. Get off of my screen, bro. Sweet. Sweet. My nigga. You are not sweet. I could tell you right now that you have the texture of sweet and sour sauce off of fucking McDonald's, my nigga. So if you don't shut your dumb ass up, bro. Oh goddamn, Kagami Hiragi body build, Hatsune Miku body build, Wawa Asgard body build, Hosha Marina after I looking at it's off my fucking screen, my nigga. Yo, stop. You gotta be kidding me with this bullshit right here. This bitch literally has the nerve to call us sisters. What are you, fucking James Charles, my nigga? Oh wait, you're way too tiny for that. And I bet... never mind. My nigga. Do you really think you're attractive? If you don't get your dumb ass off my screen, you got them goddamn Miyuki-sized breasts, my nigga. Fuck off, bro. Surprise, motherfucker. Cause look at this motherfucking bitch ass motherfucking Menma Anohana looking ass bitch over here. I'm not even playing because look at this creepy, disgusting Kanata Izumi mouth looking fuck. Her hair's not going down. What is she controlling fucking gravity? Shit. What terms of service do you actually serve? First off, you are just an emo kid that probably scares off every one of your fucking customers, and you are just clearly wrong. Cause you are named after the prehistoric animals, my nigga. If you don't get your dumb ass off my screen. No, what you are is fucking useless. Like I said, woman. If you don't get that fake smile off my fucking screen! If you want me to say it louder, I do not want to because then it's gonna cause a little bit of disruptions. So, if you don't fuck off. You would call these bitches the Powerpuff Girls at this point. This one would be Bubbles. This one would be Blossom right here. And this one would be Buttercup. Come on, bro. Fuck off, bro. You are disgusting. If you don't get the fuck off my screen, you are not making me sim for you because you're putting your damn sock down, okay? Clumsiest bitch I've ever fucking seen, okay? No, stop. You got that fake ass Sailor Moon outfit. You got that fake ass moon stick. You got that fake ass Sailor Moon hairstyle, man. If you don't get the fuck off my screen with them ballet shoes you call magical girl shoes, fuck off, bro. I'm not even playing. You are just creepy. What you staring into my soul like that for, bitch? You're creepy. If you don't get the fuck off my screen. Girl. What the fuck are you so angry about? Somebody should carry your fucking pigtails and literally throw your ass into a dumpster, man. You are the most hyperactive little bitch in the entire series, aren't you? I bet you get, like, I don't know, $1 million off the Mega Millions, man. You are the nerdiest bitch of all time. Take out them damn glasses, bitch. Which you've already did, and you still look like a fucking nerd. Girl. You piss me the fuck off. Come on now. Yo flat-chested ass. Yo kanata izami looking ass mouth. Like, bro, what the fuck? You got that big ass forehead, my nigga. You got that Saikawa looking ass forehead. You don't get the fuck off my screen? Right? Ui Shigade and Sailor Uranus in a living room together. And watching this dumb fucking intro like it's nothing. And literally just going around just saying the beginning of the intro. Being like, smile, sweet, sister, sadistic, surprise, service, and putting another fucking meme in it. Like, for example, the one that I just did in the beginning. Surprise, motherfucker. That one. Yeah, I'm not even playing. That's exactly what Micah and Dino over here is trying to fucking do. Micah. If you don't get your Yandere simulator looking at us off my screen, fuck off. How is this man's Dino attracted to fucking Yandere looks? You're creepy, man. Stop. stop. You've gotta be kidding me doing this abstract this bullshit or rock pose, man. Get off my fucking screen, bruh. You've gotta be kidding me. This retarded little shit just got bunched by a bunch of girls, knowing how much of the consequences he would have to fucking serve with that bullshit. Such as, yes, a bloody ass nose. Like, look at them. They're literally standing like the fucking Powerpuff Girls right here. And they literally punched the shit out of this dude. Think you escaping me? Hell no. You wanna know why? Because I'm gonna roast every single 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of you. I'm not counting the dog because, you know, I have a dog. So I'm not trying to be fucking hypocritical, so yeah. Starting with you. You binge pressing stocking off a panty and stocking looking ass. I'm sorry, but your ugly, disgusting ass gotta get the fuck off my screen. Cause you're just trying to be a whore at this point. And you getting angry over nothing, my nigga. You're useless as the rest of them. What? Like, seriously, you serve zero purpose. You should kill yourself now, okay? Fuck off. And you with that fake ass smile, man. You got nothing to offer, little bitch. And even with that fucking yandere look you got, you don't get the fuck off my screen. And you, I'm sorry, but girl, I'm not going out with you, man. I'm sorry, but I'm not P. Diddy, okay? Fuck off. And you got that big ass Saikawa forehead. You got that Menma from Anohana looking at hairstyle, man. You got that Tsukasa Hideki looking at as bowl up on your head. The fuck off my screen. And kid, Dino, bro. You gotta be fucking joking with me, bruh. You got that katana head, my nigga. You got a dreidel head, my nigga. But worst of all, it's you! My dude, you got that. A son of a stepfather. A son of a, I'm so sorry. Look at this expression, my nigga. You're worthless. You're hopelessly trying to get the fuck off the screen already. And all 4 of you girls literally doing some crazy shit. I know you would probably get the customer's attention by singing the song Holotari Dance. Be like, do the Holotari Dance. Do the Holotari Dance. But bro, what time are you wasting to do that bullshit? Nobody wanted to do that with your dumb ass. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Bye.